Hello housework haters, my name is Amber Lewis and I'm going to show you a really easy, quick way to clean a bathtub. So first I am pouring in Force of Nature. You've probably seen it if you've watched any of my other videos. It's a really good non-toxic cleaner that's just salt, vinegar, and then electrolyzed water. So right now I'm just spraying everywhere, doing a really quick spray all over the tub and then letting it sit for a minute because that lets the cleaner do its job, do the cleaning, kills all the germs. While the cleaner's sitting, I'm going to use this Norwex cleaning paste with a toothbrush to scrub all the just grungy areas that kind of build up scum and gross stuff. A toothbrush is super effective and it's really cheap, so clean away. You can probably use any cleaner that you have, but I really do love the Norwex cleaning paste. It's kind of like a baking soda type feel and it just like adds to the toothbrush, scrubs really well. Next, I'm just using a Scotch-Brite scrubber to scrub everywhere that I sprayed the Force of Nature. So even kind of on the walls of the shower area and then all over the tub, basically. Also, don't forget to give the faucet a good scrub and then wipe it down with something that will shine it, and that makes your bathtub look really nice in a really quick and easy way. So I'm just rinsing off everywhere in the bathtub with this bucket, and then I'm going to shine the fixtures so they'll look really nice and clean and shiny. And there you go. That is a really quick way to clean a bathtub. If you are looking for faster and easier ways to get your housework under control, then subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.